What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're actually gonna be talking about this Beamer Invasion E92 M3 that you guys can win in just 2 weeks from now. So stay tuned. I'm gonna tell you guys all about the car and how to enter and stuff like that. But thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for all the support on the channel lately. As always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow Beamer Invasion on Instagram as well. I'll have everything linked in the description below. And now let's get into this video. All right, first and foremost, I have to give a huge shout out to Wolves Den Customs here in Orlando. They do wraps, PPF, tint. They do a lot of exotics. They actually PPF my front end as well as repainted my front bumper. So huge shout out to Jim and the team here. They're absolutely killing it. And the purpose of today's video, we are actually gonna be talking about this E92 M3 giveaway car from my homies at Beamer Invasion. Shout out to Corey, Miguel, and Ken. They are also, killing the game when it comes to their events and bringing the BMW community together. Their events are only gonna get bigger and bigger each year. So shout out to my guys. It's all love over there. But now I'm gonna tell you guys everything you guys need to know about this individual Melbourne Red E92 M3 that could be yours in just 2 weeks. Quick shout out to all the sponsors who helped make this build happen. We have I&D, Carbon X Auto, BBS Wheels, Mashimaro, Golden Wrench, NRW Design, AST Suspension, Euromotive Performance. We got Gion, PSI here in Orlando, CFS Cooling, boys at Downstar, Eventuri, Inductive, 3D Design, OEM Extinguishers, and Active Autowerke. I've worked with plenty of these vendors on my F80, and you guys know already, these are top of the line vendors in the BMW space. So you know this build is gonna have top quality parts only. So this E92 M3 is a 2010 individual Melbourne Red. It only has 32,000 miles. It's DCT, it's single hump with no iDrive. It has a carbon roof and the rod bearings are done. Not only is the exterior tastefully modified, but you guys can see from the engine bay, we have some beautiful aesthetic mods in here as well. And then underneath, we have a full Active Autowerke exhaust, so we'll get some sound clips for you guys very shortly. Oh shit. My boy Jim, owner of Wolves Den.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? He's gonna give us a couple revs in the 600 LT.
Something light.
Something light.
Straight light.
Something like Jim.
Good to see you, bro.
We'll see you in a second.
All love, brother.
We got the F80 shining in the light. And then yeah, we have Jim, the owner of Wolves Den. I was mentioning to you guys earlier, they do a bunch of cool stuff here. As you guys can see him pulling out in the McLaren. Super happy for his success. You guys see the McLaren is so clean right there. But now let's walk over the mod list. So starting off with the exterior mods, we have a 3D design carbon fiber front lip. This is super clean. As you guys know, 3D Design has some of the top quality carbon fiber in the game. I'm gonna go in order of their list. We also have a 3D Design carbon fiber diffuser. Very clean, very subtle, nothing over the top, very OEM plus. Moving back to the engine bay, we have an Eventuri carbon fiber plenum, as well as a carbon fiber intake over here. This thing is beautiful. Quality is sick. Moving to the side, we have some Mashimaro carbon fiber side skirts. Shout out to Sean and the team over there. Moving to the rear deck lid or the rear spoiler. This is an OEM M Performance trunk spoiler for the E92. Again, super clean, nothing over the top. I think it fits the car very well. Moving to the wheel, tire, and suspension setup, we have BBS CIR Unlimited wheels in this gold finish right here. You guys can see they are super clean. You guys can see that. And they're sitting on Continental Extreme Contact sport tires. Show you guys the rear real quick as well. And the car is actually sitting on AST 5100 coilovers. Show you guys the stance and the fitment. Everything looks so clean, super flush with the fender, as you guys can see there. The finish on the BBSs definitely complement the Melbourne red paint, which we'll get to very shortly. This paint is immaculate. I can't even spot any blemishes or anything like that. I know that Gian came to Ken's house actually down in South Florida and did a full correction and detailing job. And that's probably why you guys don't see any blemishes in the paint or even the carbon fiber roof. Again, car with 32,000 miles, you would expect to be this clean as well. Show you guys the rear fitment. Gotta love the hips on an M3. I've actually considered myself if I want to add an E92 to the garage this year, but we'll see. Stay tuned. Moving back into the engine bay, we're gonna go with some golden wrench caps right here. You guys can see I also have the same red caps in my car. We also have some very clean silver dress-up bolts from Downstar in the front. And then we also have a paint matched red NRW design valve cover gasket. You guys can see right there. Looks amazing in the engine bay. It really complements the carbon fiber. We have some I&D paint match reflectors, of course. The headlights have no hazing on them. You guys see how clean and crystal clear the lens is. Show you guys the back of the car as well. The paint is just glistening. You guys can see it right there. It's literally reflecting the building behind us because it's so clean. No swirls or scratches that I can see. Tail light lens as well. I believe these are the LCI tail lights because this is a 2010. We have some I&D clear reflectors right here as well on the side. But that's gonna wrap it up for the exterior mods. Let's go ahead and jump inside the car. So as I mentioned before, I just confirmed this whole car was paint corrected and ceramic coated by the team at Gian. But let me show you guys the interior right here. Again, this car only has 32,000 miles. It is a single hump, so there's no nav right there. I think this one is actually more sought after by enthusiasts, and you guys can see the interior right here. The leather is in amazing condition, as you guys can see there. Again, this is DCT. You see the paint match cage right here. This is from Bavarian Car Tuning. Actually, the video that we did on Corey's feature film, Jonathan Towson's and Miguel were actually installing this cage into this giveaway car. And then we have some Storm Motor Works illuminated paddle shifters right there. Those are very clean. You guys can see how clean and simple the interior is. You guys know these are hard to come by in E92s, in E90s. Almost forgot one mod right here. This is the Carbon X Auto Paint Match Hood Latch release. What do you guys think? Should we bring an E92 to the channel? I think the F80 is about done where I want it to be, so you never know. Maybe we should bring another car to the channel for some content. Drop a comment down below and let me know. But sitting in the car now, it feels brand new. It's super clean inside. And then I forgot to mention there's one more thing. There's an inductive wireless charger right here. Literally looks like it came from the factory like this. And then the last interior mod is actually a fire extinguisher from OEM Extinguishers. We actually have one in my F80 as well. And then the last mod that we obviously need to cover is the exhaust. So this exhaust is actually the Active Autowerke signature rear exhaust for the E9X platform. Again, you guys know me, I'm a huge advocate for Active Autowerke and their products. But we're gonna let the car warm up for just a little bit and then we'll give it some blips. And then maybe we'll get a little clip of what it sounds like inside the cabin. Show you guys what the headlights look like when they're on. Super clean halo. Literally looks brand new. So while the car warms up, I'm gonna let you guys know how you guys can enter this giveaway. You guys see this sick shirt from them. Every build has a story. This can be purchased on their website, as well as some other cool t-shirts and hoodies. And every $5 you guys spend on their website grants you one entry to this sick E92 giveaway car that we just reviewed. Again, the quality of the shirts, you guys can't feel it through the camera, but it is top quality stuff. Do me a favor, support Beamer Invasion and their giveaway. Check them out, enter the giveaway while you still can. You never know, this E92 could be yours, but the car is warmed up enough. Let's give you guys a couple little blips and revs and hear how the active exhaust sounds. That sounded incredible. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Again, every $5 that you spend on their website grants you one entry to win this sick E92 giveaway car. Again, there's so much value and high quality parts and modifications that are on this car, and it could be one of yours in your garage for only $5. How crazy is that? Make sure you guys check out the information down below. It ends on April 26th, so you guys have probably 2 weeks from when this video is posted, so make sure you guys get your late entries in, and good luck to everybody who enters. But now we can give you guys some sound clips inside the car. This is gonna be with the windows up first. Man, that V8 is screaming. This makes me want an E92. I've been contemplating it for all of this year, so let me know what you guys think. And now we can get you guys some sound clips with the windows down real quick. Yo, that S65 screams. And I know the DCT on the E9X platform, those shifts are lightning fast. And then when you downshift while you're under load, that V8 sounds next level. So that's actually Jim's Aventador, super badass. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for the E92 giveaway car. I'm gonna go ahead and get some B-roll, and then we can wrap this one up.